So I got this window regulator on Amazon for like about $55. This is for the driver's side rear door. So what happened is the door, the window in this, you can just go up and down by itself. So basically just off the rail. So if you will do the same thing, I mean probably your regulator is bad. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take out this cover here, and if you look in this corner here, this little tap here you need to push down. Once you push down, and then you can just pull it out. So when you pull it out, don't pull this with you. Just pull on this cover. After that, you have two screws you need to unscrew. One in here, and the other one is right here. And there's one more, it's on the handle. So to take this one out, you don't just pull it out, you pull forward, then you pull it out, pull forward, then you pull it out, because it's you look at this, you can see the hook on this, it's hooked into this, so that's why you can just yank it out. So to get this out, this little switch, you need to switch out. Then you can pull that up now. So after you get all the 3 screws, all you do is just grab from the bottom, just yank it out. Once you yank it out, just pull it up. I forgot you do have to take out this connector. Once you take out this connector, just push it through here and just take out the panel. So we're gonna push the window down. And if you look at the bolt that's on the regulator, we're to take out this bolt. And the other one. So the other one is right here somewhere. So you have to push it down until you can reach it. So right now, you see the bolt. The other one is right here, so it's easy to get to. So before I take out the bolt, I'm going to let me see. So before I'm going to start taking out the bolt, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold the glass like this, and after that I'll be shooting it from the bottom so it won't drop. Now I can just lift up the glass. So once you got the glass up, what I'm going to do is going to get some tape and just hold it onto it. So the glass can stay up there while you take out the regulator. So if you're holding the regulator up, it's going to be like something like this. And you see the 2 bolts here? I think it's these 2. And this 2 you need to take out, and the connector. So you're looking at it. So it's these 2 you take out. These take out, and the connector. So I'm going to take out the connector first. Okay. And this one you can break because we won't need it. You can get this out later, no big deal. And should come off. So now we're going to go put it back in. I'm going to connect these two holes first. If that line up, I mean the rest should line up too. So, tie it by hand. So now we're going to hook up the connector. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get a zip tie, so I'm going to just tie some here. I can't find a zip tie, so I'm going to just use tape. So now you're looking at the bottom piece now, and what happened is, I think it's supposed to be like this. Anyway, so you supposed to shoot it in here, the screw, and this one, and we're now in the wrong position. So what we're gonna do now is, you're supposed to be like, I guess like this. Or maybe no, it can't be that way, so it's gonna be this way. Anyway, so I have to what I did is I have to hook up the connector back in and rolled out the window. So I'm going to roll out the window until I get where I want it. And if you look at it, right now it's okay too. So I can just leave it like that and bring the window down and just tighten the two bolt. Hello. So I'm gonna let the window down now. I think this one go in the front. Now I have to look for the two screw that drops wheel. So I'm going to hand tighten it first, like always. Now I'm shooting gently. It supposed to be, yeah. You put it like this is wrong. If you push it in a little bit. That should be right. And now we can roll up the window up and down to see is it good or not. So now we can put everything back. I like to put the window down when I put everything back. Take this out connector. So before we put everything back, make sure this go back into hole, and this one go back, and this one go back. So first what I'm going to do is, when I put the door pin here, I'm going to put this in first. And put the hole this one, so you can put it into the hole here. Slide this corner inside. Push it down. And now you can now you can push everything in. So I'm gonna try putting this pin here into this hole. Once you get in, just push it down, and you just swing this back so it can lock up this piece here. Now it's locked, so it's good. Now, when you put this back, make sure when you push it in, push it back that way. That's it, like that. So you can put it in and push it back until you hear it locking. Then, when you hear it lock, it doesn't move anymore. So you can put the screw back in now. So I'm gonna put back the screw. And now we're going to do this bottom piece here. And see, this one go inside like this. I'm gonna hook up the connector back. You can hook it up back first, like this. So this one, we're gonna put this in first to slide in. Then you're able to push it in. It should lock in. And that's it. It's pretty easy. For the final step, let's test out again to make sure everything works. So that's it.